Sexual thoughts are like dominoes in your mind. I've gone 600 days being celibate. And I think one thing that can really help you is the one thing that I've really learned is how when you have one sexual thought come into your mind. Let me get my camera right here. The domino theory is that once you have one sexual thought come into your mind, it's amazing how if you entertain that thought for a little bit, like even a little bit, if you're trying to be celibate and you have that sexual thought come into your mind, it is amazing how even if you hang on to it for just a little bit longer, what I've found is that it's almost like your brain, that part of your brain, your sex brain, like lights up, and I think it fires. And what happens is once you entertain that, it's like a domino. Like once that part of your brain lights up a little bit, and what you'll find is if you hang on to that a little bit too long, what I've realized is that it will fire, like your brain will fire another. It might be a fantasy, it might be an image of a girl, it might be a sex scene. And so it's almost like I think it's like once that part of your brain, like once that thread of your brain is ignited, and it probably, what happens is your brain probably throws out a little bit of dopamine, and so it will, it's almost like a deck of cards. If you hang on to that a little bit too long, it'll flick out like three more at you. And so what you need to do in that situation, you need to keep your mind occupied, keep yourself as busy as possible. Get into a project. I'm sure, some guys take cold showers. I don't do that with my knee injury. That would be pretty rugged for me, but get your mind onto something else. Find a way to like switch tracks and think of something else. Because if you're trying to climb out of sexual addiction, and you can absolutely train your brain this way too. Like you can get stronger. You can get stronger if you keep doing it. Your brain will get stronger. Just put it onto something else. Find a way to like master your mind. If you can master your mind, you can master anything. You can achieve anything that you want to.